Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks step by step. First, let's get your business set up. You'll begin by entering your company's basic information like its name and address. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, saving you valuable time. Finally, customize your chart of accounts to ensure all your income and expenses are categorized precisely for clear financial tracking from day one. Now, let's manage the money coming into your business. You can easily create and send professional invoices to your customers for the products or services you provide. Once payments are received, record them promptly to keep your accounts receivable accurate and current. QuickBooks also helps you track any sales tax collected and owed, ensuring you remain compliant with tax regulations and have a clear picture of your income. Next, we'll focus on managing your business expenses. Enter bills from your vendors as soon as you receive them to accurately track your accounts payable. You can then pay these bills directly within QuickBooks, which helps maintain precise cash flow records. Properly categorizing each expense is crucial for tax preparation and gaining valuable insights into where your money is going, ensuring financial clarity. Finally, let's look at how QuickBooks provides valuable financial insights. Generate essential reports, such as the profit and loss statement and balance sheet, to understand your business's health. Reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. This ensures all transactions are accurate and accounted for. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you make informed decisions and keeps your financial records in excellent order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.